Okay, okay, we on the record in cause number 327196-2. The case is style of State of Texas versus Renee Lynn Nelson. Is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how are you doing, Miss Nelson?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Miss Nelson, um, as a defendant in a criminal case, you have three options. Number one, you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that option?
I understand.
Number two, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney to be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that option?
I understand.
Number three, you may represent yourself. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Do you understand that? Miss Nelson, do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Miss Nelson, if you desire to hire an attorney, your case will be reset. Or if you have hired an attorney, your attorney will be contacted and the case will be reset. If you want to apply for a court-appointed counsel, uh, then you would have to fill out a financial questionnaire. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you already have a court-appointed attorney, that attorney will be contacted and your case will be reset. If you want to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself, you will inform the court. Now, Ms. Nelson, do you want to hire an attorney and have your case reset, or do you want to apply for court-appointed counsel, or do you want to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself?
Yes, I would like to represent myself, sir.
Okay. Now, Ms. Nelson, you'll be required to sign a waiver of counsel for purposes of entering your plea of either guilty or no contest, or true if it's a MTRP. But,
Yeah, I've already done that, sir.
well, what I have to do is read you this waiver, all right? And the waiver that's in State's Exhibit number 1 states, I have been advised this day by the court of my right to representation by counsel in the case pending against me. I have been advised and understand that if I am determined to be indigent, counsel will be appointed to me free of charge. Understanding my right to have counsel appointed to me free of charge if I am found to be indigent, I wish to waive that right and request the court to proceed with a case without an attorney being appointed for me. I specifically waive my right to be represented by an attorney, to consult with an attorney before I give up these enumerated rights. It is my decision to represent myself, and I do so knowing the dangers and disadvantages of self-representation. I further elect not to request appointment of counsel. Ms. Nelson, is that your desire?
Yes.
Okay, so now, Ms. Nelson, um, you'll have an opportunity to talk to the prosecutor about your case, and I'll allow you to do that in private.